Today I'm going to show you how to add teachers to your Google Classroom and to create specific assignments for certain students. First, you're going to go to your Google Classroom and select the People tab. Then you're going to click the plus sign in the Teachers section, and you're going to type in your email of the person you want to invite. If it's within your contacts or your district, it'll populate, select Enter, and then click on Invite. What they will see is in their Google Classroom, they'll have the option to either decline or accept your invitation. Once they accept, they can assign classwork just the same. Go to the Classwork tab, click Create, and in the For section, you'll see there'll be options to checkmark classes that you're a part of. Select all the classes you want to post your assignment to. Next, you can also create a topic for subject matter teachers, such as computer lab, PE, or for ed specialists. So I'm going to call this topic Learning Center. Once I've created the topic, I can create an assignment and deselect all students by unchecking that box and then scrolling down or finding the student I want to create the assignment for. Then I can do an attachment, see that the one student is assigned to just this one assignment under the topic Learning Center. And then it'll show up on the stream for that student and under the topic in the classwork section.